9 business ideas with zero capital investments. Wow. Hmm. Hello, family and friends. Welcome to Business for Profit, where we discuss practical business, product, price, place, process for profitable returns. Welcome back. 9 business ideas with no money, no capital at all. You can start right away. Number one, delivery services. I was talking to somebody recently and the person said, "Oh, I need to buy a vehicle, I need to buy a bike." I said, "No, you don't need to buy anything." Yes, just list out your friends and family who does delivery service, who want to deliver one items or another or a parcel. Reach out to them and try to find out the cost of each location. Number two, your leg is what you're going to use to deliver it. Even if you have to take transport from one place to the other, then you deduct the money and the balance is your money. So you don't have to tell the whole world that you don't have a vehicle, you don't have a bike. Pick the item and deliver it by yourself. Start the business today. Number two is cleaning services. Yes, a lot of people want home services. They want cleaning service in their house. Maybe weekend, maybe weekly, make me in a month. I have people that want that. Why don't you send a message today that you do cleaning business for homes, that they should contact you. And if you see that the place is a very big place, just get one or two people to assist you and you charge them. That's a business, yes. And anytime you're having 2 or 3 jobs at the same time, just contact one or two people to assist you. Put this person here, put this person there. You know that will collect the money and go to pay them. Business has started. Start your cleaning business today. Home repair. Do a lot of us can do some things and we are not monetizing it. We're not turning it to business. We have people who can do one or two repairs, fix socket, fit taps in the bathroom, in the kitchen. Turn it to business today. I want to send out messages to friends and family that please you can do their little repairs for them at home. Yes. In fact, even if you cannot do everything, once you collect the job, then you can also contact somebody that can do it. You go there with the person and you fix the repair and you collect your money. And while the person is doing it, you are even looking at one or two tips and you are learning on the job. Number four, hair business. Oh, this one is very wide. Hair business is very wide. Now we have people who do wigs, braids, weave-ons, and they don't have the customer, and you have the customer base. Yes, you have the customer base. Why don't you reach out and tell people that if they need wigs, they should contact you. Any form of wig, they can contact you. Even if it's hair attachment, that they can contact you. When they contact you, when they pay you, you go and get it for them and you deliver it to them. It's as simple as that. Or if you want to take it to the next level, why don't you go and learn just one aspect of one, just one style? One style alone is enough to make you rich. You can just learn how to make a particular wig or just learn how to make braids and you do it on weekends. People want home service. I know people that does home service, you want to come and they will pay your money. They will pay for the transport, they will pay for the hairdo. Why don't you start? Why don't you start today? Number five, market shopping. A lot of people don't have time to go to the market. They work from Monday to Friday. They want somebody to go to the market for them. Always turn it to business today and tell them, oh, I can go for market for you. I can make life easy. Yes, why don't you send out message today that I'll go to market. You can even put your name. So person go to the market. Market make easy, and they pay you, they list what they want. You go to the market and you buy it for them and you charge them. Is it 10% charge? Is it 20%? You charge them. It's business. And before you know it, they are referring you. Before you know it, they are referring you. You have one or two, three, contact, and that's a good business. Yes. Number six, cooking business. I want to talk about two types of cooking business. Yes. The one I want to talk about is kitchen assistant. I know someone that need that service. On weekends, she cannot do her cooking alone. She wants somebody to assist her in the kitchen. Yes, she'll be there. You also be there so that the cooking can be very fast. Yes, because she does her cooking on weekends, for the week. So why don't you send her messages that you can be a kitchen assistant to somebody on weekends, that's your business, and you do it and you collect your money. Or they want to keep it from your house, maybe soup or whatever. You charge a pot of soup. You tell them this is the amount. They tell you the type of soup they want. But these are people that know how to make good food, though. Because if you do food that is not good for them, they will not contact you again. And before you know it, you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 customers. I remember there was a seminar I attended. The woman told us that the customers she have, she cannot service it. Yes, people that she's cooking soup for, people that are travel out of the country, they want you to cook food for their family at home. Why don't you try that business today? Number 7 business, souvenir and print business. Souvenir. So people have eye for items. Yes, some of us have eye for items. Why don't you go to the market, go to Lagos Island, go to all these big stores, go and pick different items that somebody can use for souvenir. Why don't you browse online, look at different type of print and send it out to friends and family. That if you want to have your event, I can suggest souvenir. I remember that there was a program we did recently. We tried to think, what can we use? Should we use this? Should we use it? But if you can have a readily samples, yeah, readily available samples, why don't you choose this? Is that you choose mug, you choose flask, you choose towel, you choose this? Yes, and you tell them different types of prints that they can. You don't need capital. You don't need capital for this. You just have the item listed out. You have the samples of it. Show it to them. Choose your choice. They pay you your money. You go to the market, get the item, do their print and deliver. Take your profit. Oh, wow. Number 8, fashion business. This one is wide. Yes. But I'll just talk about 2 types. Fashion business is, there are some people that maybe where they work, your kind of people that can sew very well, but they don't know them. Why don't you go and source for a person that can, I know people that does this business. Go and source people that can sew very well. You collect clothes from people, give people that can sew very well. You are the one that will give them price. Yes. You pay the person that sold the clothes, then you deliver the clothes. It means your money. I know people that does fashion business that they don't know how to sew. You can start your fashion business. You don't need to wait till till you can sew. You can even start learning on it. Start your fashion business today. Or the other one is ready-made clothes. You can go shopping, pick different type of fine clothes, find maybe for outings, whatever, and show it to friends and family. If they need it, maybe Ashwebi or anything, they pick their sample, you collect your money, then go and buy it and take your profit. Wow. Number nine, real estate. Oh, this is a secret I'm giving you. Why don't you source for people that want to sell? A lot of people have property to sell. A lot of people have land. I have a lot of people that have contacted me that they want to sell this because they don't have worked in an investment company before and we deal with lands. They say want to sell this, they want to sell this. Why don't you ask people that want to sell land, they want to sell building? Once they give you the contact, go and look for agents that have the customers, yes, to help you to sell. Once you link up with an agent, yes, when they are sharing the commission, you are part of the circle. You share the commission with them. You don't need capital to start real estate business. You can start your real estate business now. For further information, contact me. Why don't you start now? Before you leave, do one thing for me. Is that you like this video? Is it that you subscribe? Is it that you share this video and or you comment? Don't leave without doing one. I trust that you give me 5 subscribers, right? See you in my next video. Watch out for more insights. Bye.